Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another day with a charger. So where I'm at Rainbow Mufflers, and they're gonna weld up some SLP Loudmouth mufflers for me. Recently, my car has been straight pipe plus catless, and I don't like the sound that it makes on the highway. It has a bad drone to it. So what I'm gonna do is put on some single stage mufflers where it still flow pretty good, but it sounds a little bit better. And stay tuned. So this is how it arrived. And one more thing while I was at it, I went and got some new tips. These are 4 inches. Right now I have 3 inches on there, and they look very small, as you can see. So this is definitely gonna look a lot better. So right now I'm just in line waiting. Been here since 7 o'clock. They opened up at 8, and there was already about 4 or 5 people ahead of me. So I'm just waiting in line, and as soon as they start cutting and welding, I'm gonna come back and show you. Hey, but while I'm waiting in line, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it sounds right now, being a full straight pipe plus catless. I want to show you a good look. I had a tips look before, and I actually didn't realize that this one was hanging a lot lower than the other side. So I'm glad I came to get this fixed. But yeah, here's a before. Yes, sir. Good morning. So it's the very next day, and I want to show you a cold start with the new exhaust. Yesterday I drove it around a lot, and it sounds so much better. It's more quiet, more tame, and I love the way it sounds, to be honest. The SLPs was a good choice if you still like the exhaust to be kind of loud. And here, I'm gonna show you so you know what it sounds like. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.